Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a certificate from QuickBooks. First, understand that QuickBooks offers various certifications, each tailored to different user levels and software versions. These credentials validate your skills, boosting your professional standing and opening new career doors. We will cover the essential steps to achieve your certification, from initial setup to passing the exam, ensuring you are well prepared for success. To begin, you will need to create a free QuickBooks Online Accountant account, which serves as your central hub for all certification activities. Next, decide which certification aligns with your goals: QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop. While no prior QuickBooks experience is strictly required for the core certification, a basic understanding of accounting principles, like debits and credits, will be very beneficial for your learning journey. Once your account is set up, access the Pro Advisor Academy within your QBOA dashboard. This platform provides self-paced training modules covering all key topics, from basic setup to advanced reporting. Make sure to utilize the interactive practice tests to become familiar with the exam format and identify areas needing more study. The certification exam is typically a multiple-choice online assessment, and you will often receive your results immediately after completion. Becoming QuickBooks certified significantly boosts your professional credibility and can lead to increased earning potential, with some professionals reporting higher rates. You will also gain access to exclusive resources, including official certification badges and a listing in the Find a Pro Advisor directory, helping clients find you. Remember to update your resume and LinkedIn profile with your new credential. Don't forget to check the description for a link to this fantastic water bottle and other great deals. Staying current with annual recertification ensures you maintain your expert status and learn about new features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.